No, actually, the reason the crowd happens when there are people who are, they are opposite something. Yeah, so opposite something. And that's really important. You can't, because there is peer pressure. So everyone, oh yes, that's okay. Everyone says this is yes, okay, it's yes. And you need at least somebody who says no, it's no, it's not black and white.
Well, that's where you get like Galileo from, right? And everybody thought that the sun rotated around the Earth. Galileo said, no, not that. They went like, yeah, done.
And that was much more than peer pressure. Then like, okay, you die. How is it? Okay, you're right. Okay, you're the big guy. I know, like that too. Yeah, but in the airport there is free coffee. I remember saying that free coffee, free newspaper.
Does guy have so many hours left?
Really?
I mean, how many hours is it to California?
Oh, it's 12 hours. 12 hours.
So we got like, I think all of us have an hour layover, an hour and a half or something.
So yeah, I just have an hour and a half.
An hour and 20.
I'm European.
An hour and 20. Yeah, I'm gonna back home at like 4:30. At 5 I can.
See, that's like one of the real problems for us is like, it is not, wow, I'm just gonna...
Yeah, no, it's a bad anyway.
You know, I end up flying to Seattle, where, you know, look at California and San Francisco's like right here, and Seattle's there's stuff here in the corner. So it's really just about the same flight as you as well. And it's like, I do that all the time. But actually go to the other side of the country in 6 hours, 5 hours. Like, that's not easy.
We are so unique.
Yeah. Lots of good free space.
Meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen auf dem Münchner Flughafen. Bitte bleiben Sie zu Ihrer eigenen Sicherheit noch so lange angeschnallt, bis wir unsere endgültige Parkposition erreicht haben und die Anschnallzeichen über Ihnen erloschen sind. Kapitän Timpe und die heutige Besatzung, wir möchten uns jetzt hier von Ihnen verabschieden. Wir wünschen Ihnen jetzt noch einen schönen Aufenthalt hier in München oder eine gute und sichere Weiterreise. Wir bedanken uns, dass Sie auf diesem Lufthansa Starlines Flug heute unsere Gäste waren. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen. Welcome to Munich Airport, ladies and gentlemen. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we've reached our final parking position and the fasten seatbelt signs above you have been switched off. Flight Captain Timper and her entire crew, we would like to say goodbye to now. We wish you now a pleasant stay here in Munich or a safe onward journey to your final destination. Thank you for being our guest today on this Lufthansa Starlines flight, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love.